By adding water, yeast, and flour together, the yeast will naturally emit CO2.
Okay.
Those little gas bubbles are what's going to cause our dough to rise. I'm going to add half a cup to a cup of water. A couple packages of Yeasty Boys, and now we're going to add our flour. You can't overwork that, Mike.
I can't screw this up.
You can't screw this up. We got a nice dough happening here. Put a lid on it, let it rise for 2 to 3 hours.
All right.
And see how I'm tucking it all under itself? Kind of becoming a ball. And I'm gonna use my other hand as a wall. We're creating a crust this way. Now, you have this big lump of dough in the center. Take your fingertips, work that out. And the best way to stretch is let gravity do the work. Take about a half a cup of sauce right into the center. Press down and work your way out. Our oven's at about 500 degrees. The key to getting this off the peel is when you push in, you immediately retract back.
Yep.
Oh, I like that. This shouldn't take more than 10 minutes.
Not gonna lie, that looks good.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Another good day.